there, this is Jeffrey Navarez, and today I would like to talk to you about targeting specific notes in the pentatonic scale. If you're just a beginner learning how to solo, or maybe you've been playing for quite a while and you're not happy with your soloing, my guess is that you're not targeting notes in the harmony. So what do I mean by that? Well, targeting notes in the harmony is thinking about the chords that you're playing over and then trying to outline those chords in a single note melody. Let's start with the A minor pentatonic scale, the box pattern that we all know and love, right? So I call this E form. We have the 1, the flat 3, the 4, 5, flat 7, back to 1 again. So that pattern repeats. 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 1, flat 3, 4, 5, flat 7, 1, flat 3. If you're not familiar with my terminology about the 1, the flat 3, the 4, I do have some lessons on my website in the members section that explains what a key signature is and what a scale is. So check those out and see if those help. I want to start off nice and simple for people who are not comfortable or are just having a tough time learning how to solo. So the primary chords in every key is the 1, 4, and the 5. So now in the key of A, the 1 chord is A, the 4 chord is D, and the 5 chord is E. So in our pentatonic scale, we have a 1 note and a 4 note and a 5 note, which the chords are built off of. There's our 1 chord. There's our 4 chord. 5 chord, 1. So if I was going to play a 12-bar blues in A, so I just played a 12-bar blues in A. We had the 1 chord, we had the 4 chord, and the 5 chord. Now if I was going to solo over that same 12-bar blues, you should be able to hear that chord progression, even though you're not playing chords. Let me demonstrate. So hopefully you could hear the chords change. I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to kind of pause and tell you what chord I'm thinking about. 4, 5, so the E chord. 4. Back to the A. 5. So we had a turn around and then the 5 chord. The best place to start, in my opinion, is start with form 1 because you know that form. Not only do you need to know the pattern, but you need to know where each note is in the pattern. What do I mean by that? Know where your roots are. Know where your flat 3s are. Know where all your 4s are. Know where your 5s are. And know where your flat 7s are. And you should be able to do that through all 5 patterns of the minor pentatonic scale. So you should know where they're located. You should know how they sound. So today's lesson, let's just focus on the roots of the 1 chord, the 4 chord, and the 5 chord in the key of A. So we're going to look for our A's when we're playing the A chord. We're going to look for our D's when we're playing the D chord. We're going to look for our E's when we're playing the E chord. What do I mean by look for these notes? We're going to target these notes. If you're going to play a single note line, the most important part of that line is how you end the line. So the ending is more important than the beginning. That's going to put that punctuation, that period, that question mark, that exclamation point at the end of your musical statement. If I'm on an A chord, I want to end on A. There's A. Now I'm going to go to D. I should have went back to the A, but I stopped on the D just so you could hear that resolution was impending. We wanted to hear it, you know. You want to hear in this format, you want to hear that resolution back to the 1. So now if I'm playing over the 5 chord, that's the root. There's my E. 4 chord, 1, 4, 1, 5. So hopefully you could hear the chords changing, and the reason you were hearing those chords change in my melody is because I was targeting the roots of the chord as it changed as we progressed through the 12-bar blues. Once you get comfortable with that, you can take it out of the form and bring it into form 2, maybe form 3. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like the information, if you haven't done so already, please like the video and subscribe. And also, I have a PDF of this material with other things on my website. So if you go to jeffreynavarez.com and there's a members section, sign up, become a member. Under improvisational techniques, this lesson will be there. So I hope you enjoyed these tips. And remember, just start simple. We're just looking for the roots. So it doesn't matter whether we're in the key of A or whether we're in the key of G. If we're in the key of C, we're still going to target those notes. So I'm just going to play us out here, and we're going to be in the key of C.